Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will see how to use git squash command. So squash command is useful when you want to combine multiple commits into one single commit. So let's get started. I will first add 3 commits and then will combine all 3 in one single commit. I have added first commit, added second one, and now adding third one. Let's push these changes. Changes are pushed. Let's verify on GitHub. Okay, so we can see all 3 commits are displaying here one by one. So now we will squash all 3 commits into one single commit. So to squash last 3 commits, we need to run command git rebase -i head and how many commits we want to squash. So I added 3, so it opened last 3 commits. So we can now edit these pick message with the squash. So I changed pick to squash for the commit 2 and 3, and we can save it, which will make the commit 2 and commit 3 to be combined into commit 1 with the newer message that we will edit next. So I saved it, changes are saved, and now terminal is asking us to update the commit message. Since we don't need these previous commit messages, so I commented those, and now I am updating the last message with the new commit message. Commit combined, and I save it again. So we can see it is successfully rebased. Now we need to push these changes forcefully on GitHub. We can use git push -f for this. So changes are pushed. Let's verify on GitHub. So we see 3 commits are combined into one. Let's verify its changes. We have all these 3 commit messages, but this time with only single commit. So that's how Squash works. And that's about this tutorial. If you like information useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.